I could tell you right where I was standing the first time I heard that sound.
I don't turkey hunt just to kill a turkey. It's more being immersed in the situation and being out there in the woods and interacting back and forth.
And when that turkey started gobbling to come in my mind, folk was so tight on nothing but how to kill that turkey.
And I don't mean the farm I was on, I don't mean the field I was in.
You can be just barely getting by and you hear that gobble, it's like, it's on.
I mean, I could show you right where my right and left foot were planted when I heard it.